Hi guys, welcome to another installment of my mini tutorial series, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to make the flame weave, one of my favorites. So I'm going to use 5 base lines, or base wires rather, and we're going to start by wrapping around the base wire 5 times. And then we're going to bring in the next base wire, and we are going to wrap our weaving wire around the next base wire 1 full revolution before bringing it back from behind up towards the top again, and then adding in our next weaving wire. So this is just to start adding in the weave. So we're going to continue and we're going to repeat the same process as before. So we're going to wrap around the base wire once, and we're going from behind up over the top, and then we're going to bring in the next base wire, and we are going to repeat this. So we're going to go around once, full revolution around it, underneath from behind and back over the top. Now for the last wire, we are not going to wrap around either side, because obviously this is the tip. So we're only going to go around the top wire without wrapping, and then we are going to come from underneath and we are coming up and in between wire 3 and 4 before then coming back from underneath and behind and coming in between wire 3 and 4 and wrapping around wire 3 like so. You can see me holding my finger at the back of the weave to keep it in place. That helps with neatness. And then we are going to continue with this. We're now going to come in between wire 1 and 2, wrapping around wire 2 once, and don't forget the 2 wires, and then we are going to start afresh by starting with our 5 loops in between each pyramid. So I'm going to repeat this whole procedure with all the wires attached now. It's basically the exact same. So we're going to wrap around the first base wire 5 times, like so. And then we're going to step up to wire 2 and wrap around this 1 full revolution until we are at the back of the weave again. And then from behind we are going to step it up to wire 3. Wrap it around wire 3 in 1 full revolution, again coming from behind, wrapping from behind across all of the wires, and then stepping it up. Now you see me here using pliers, and that's because this weave is quite untidy to start with. Flattening it and pressing it together will actually really help keep it tidy. So we're going across all of the wires when we get to the top, so no little loop required. When we get to the other side, as I said earlier, we do the little loop first. So we wrap around wire 4 once before coming across all of the wires and then moving back down to wire 3. 1 revolution around wire 3 before coming around all 3 wires and then stepping down in between wire 3 and 2. Wrap around wire 2 once, like so, and then wrapping around wire 1 and 2 before stepping it all the way back down to wire 1 and then starting afresh with your 5 wraps, and then that's the wrap completed. Now once again, as I said, you need to work on the tidiness, because if you don't spend time on that, it can look untidy. So it's quite important, I find personally, to press this weave as you go along. So you use your pliers to compress the weave, and that gets rid of any unevenness. And with this weave, it's quite easy to hide the little loop. So that's quite an important aspect. So that's what it looks like. So it's a really easy weave. I'm really looking forward to your designs. Thank you so much for watching. Join our little Facebook group, which is called Wire Wrap and Jewelry Artists Worldwide. We're a fun bunch, so come and join us. And last but not least, please subscribe for more tutorials in future, and I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching.